Have you ever stopped yourself from saying something because you thought, who would even listen to me? Like I have. For the longest time, I believed that only certain people have voices that matters. People on stages, people with millions of followers, people whose opinions got quoted in newspapers, like people who seem very famous. And there were rest of us, the ordinary people living our ordinary lives. At least that's what I believed. But life has this funny way of proving you wrong. I don't remember the exact day my thinking has changed. It happened slowly. The story, like a friend opened up about her burned out, like not in a motivational, just during a random conversation over coffee. Another day, I read a stranger's article about failing an interview. It wasn't extraordinary, it wasn't even perfectly written, but I couldn't stop thinking about it. Then I came across a student writing about the pressure of expectations, a daughter writing about her own emotions that had hidden for years. None of these people were famous, none of them had huge audiences, yet their words stayed with me for days, I think. That's when I realized that something. A voice doesn't become powerful because millions hear it. It becomes powerful because someone feels understood after hearing it. I think many of us underestimate our own stories. We look at our own lives and think this is too ordinary. Everyone else already knows it. It's like someone has probably said it, so we stay quiet. But here's the thing, nobody has lived your life like nobody has lived your exact life. Nobody has seen you. Nobody has experienced your victories, your fears, your heartbreaks, your tiny moments of happiness the way you have experienced them. And that's what it makes your voice different, unique. Like it's not louder, just real. uh, think about the last thing that truly stayed with you. Maybe it was a YouTube video, a blog, a conversation with a friend or a stranger. Was it perfect? I think probably not. So, did the video you have watched have the best editing, the smartest words, the like is it spoken by a best creator? Maybe not, but it felt right. And honesty has strange power. People don't always remember information, they remember how something has made them feel. So today, the internet has more information than the generation before us. If I want to learn anything, it's just one search away. So people are not for more information anymore. They're looking for people, the real people who admit they don't have everything figured out. Like people who say, I struggle too, I have been there too. That is what helped me, not because like they're experts, but because they're also humans, because and that's what it felt real. Sometimes we think our voice doesn't matter because we don't know enough, but maybe someone doesn't need an expert today. Maybe they just need someone who's one step ahead, who like maybe you have learned, you have figured out of how to enjoy your own company. Maybe you have traveled somewhere that changed your perspective. Maybe you have survived something you have never thought you would. Like you never really know. The funny thing about making an impact, most of the time you never get to see it. You probably won't know that someone smiled because of something you wrote, or like you know what, someone has decided not to give up after hearing your story. You won't know that one sentence stayed in someone's mind for years. Impact is quiet. It doesn't send notification. It doesn't always leave comments. Sometimes it simply changes someone quietly. And I think that's why so many dreams never begin. Not because people aren't talented, but because they're waiting to become better, to become more confident, and sometimes waiting for permission, even permission to write, permission to create, permission to speak, permission to have opinion. But here is something I have learned: nobody gives you permission. You have to give it to yourself. The first video you will feel awkward. The first article won't be perfect, and your voice might even shake sometimes. And that's okay. Every creator has been there. Like every creator you admire started exactly there. We live in a world today where someone sitting in a small room can touch the lives of people across the world. One single story can travel farther than you imagine. One honest conversation can start another. One voice can encourage someone else to use their voice. And that's how the change begins, not through perfect speeches, not through huge audiences, but through ordinary people choosing honesty over silence. So, if you have been waiting for a sign, maybe this is it. Write that article, record your video, share the story, start the conversation, because someone somewhere needs to hear it, not from an influencer, not from a celebrity, just from you, because your experiences matter and your story matter, and wherever you are, your voice matters.